Stop wrestling with your data and unlock the true power of Google Sheets by mastering its incredible formula capabilities. Let's dive into the world of Google Sheets formulas. Starting with the absolute basics, formulas are your secret weapon to perform calculations. Every formula in Google Sheets begins with an equals sign, like this. To add two numbers, let's say the number in cell A1 and the number in cell B1, you wouldn't type the numbers themselves. Instead, you'll reference the cells, so after the equals sign, you'll type A1, then a plus sign, and then B1. Pressing enter will instantly display the sum of those two cells. This referencing is key. If you change the number in cell A1, the result in our new cell automatically updates. This is where the real magic begins for automating tasks. Now, imagine you have a whole column of numbers you want to add. You don't need to create a new formula for every single row. Once you've entered your first formula, like the one in the previous step, you can feel down, see that small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell containing your formula. Click and drag that square down over the rows you want to apply the same calculation to. Instantly, your entire column is summed up, saving you an incredible amount of time. It's not just addition. You can subtract, multiply, and divide using the minus, asterisk, and forward slash symbols respectively. Want to find the average? Simply type equals, then average, followed by an opening parenthesis, then select the range of cells you want to average, like A1 through A10, and close the parenthesis. Hit enter and you've got your average. There are hundreds of built-in functions for everything from simple math to complex data analysis. Exploring these functions is the next step to truly unlocking the potential of your spreadsheets. Keep practicing, and you'll be a Google Sheets formula ninja in no time.